In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product in Gumroad. If you sell digital products on Gumroad, duplicating an existing product can save you a lot of time. Instead of building a new listing from scratch, you can copy a product you've already set up and then make any edits you need. This is especially useful if you're creating a similar product, a new version, or a variation with only a few changes. To get started, log into your Gumroad account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Products. This will take you to the section where all of your existing product listings are stored. If you have several products in your account, take a moment to find the one you want to copy before moving on. Working from the correct product is important, since the duplicate will carry over the details from that original listing. Once you are on the products page, locate the product you want to duplicate. On that product's row or card, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small options menu that gives you additional actions for that specific product. Click on the three dots to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor carefully over the product area and check the right side, since menu icons like this can sometimes be easy to miss. After the menu opens, click on Duplicate. Gumroad will then create a copy of that product for you. This duplicated version is helpful because it can preserve much of the original setup, which means less manual work and a faster publishing process. Once the duplicate is created, it's a good idea to review the new product carefully. Even though the duplication process saves time, you'll still want to make sure the title, description, pricing, files, and any other product details match what you want for the new version. This quick review can help prevent publishing a copy with outdated or incorrect information. And that's it. That's how to duplicate a product in Gumroad. It's a simple feature, but it can make managing your product catalog much more efficient, especially if you regularly create similar listings. If you found this helpful, you can use the same approach anytime you want to speed up your product setup workflow in Gumroad.